This video shows you how to enable incoming call vibration on a Samsung Galaxy phone, updated 2026. It helps you feel incoming calls through vibration, which is useful in noisy places or when you want to keep your phone on silent or sound mode with alerts. Go to the home screen or apps drawer. From there, open the Settings app by tapping the gear icon. Once you are inside Settings, scroll a little and tap on Sounds and Vibration. This is the main section where all ringtone, vibration, and sound controls are available. At the top of the screen, you will see three sound modes: mute, vibrate, and sound. If you want your phone to ring and vibrate together, make sure you select sound mode. This allows both ringtone and vibration to work at the same time instead of completely muting notifications. Next, go back to the main settings menu. At the top, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and type "vibrate while ringing." After searching, select the result that appears in the list. Now you will see a toggle option labeled "vibrate while ringing." Turn this option on. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you receive an incoming call, even when the ringtone is active. Successfully enabled incoming call vibration on your Samsung Galaxy device, ensuring you never miss important calls again.